Brother. You were there to time. No, I want it. No. No, boy. Why is it? You think you do? This is so creepy. This is so creepy. Where are you, sugar plum? Where are you, sugar plum? Don't actually crying. Brother, wall camping! You get wall camping for you. That's a jump scare, brother Terry. You get jump scared by that glossy cabin cat. Look how he cabin cat. But I got bad here. Look, sorry. You too slow. You too slow. Will you kill me? Hello. 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 Look behind you, look behind you, look. Terry. Yo. Yo. Oh, did that kill you? Easy, buddy. Yo. What? A Christmas deer? What? What do you want? You're coming by me on Christmas Day. So what do you want from me on Christmas Day? What, see me banana tree or what? What? Cut off the leaves off my banana tree. And that's not too. What? I got two pop. I am a survivor. I am a survivor. Papa, give me the that's why I was a survivor. Girl, you got to be kidding me. Wait, I can't find you. Where are you? Come on. I see you. Come here. Bop, 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 bop. Hey, you give me that. Yeah. Bop, bop. This video is ending in 3, 2, 1, go. Sure. Sorry. Are you playing? Alright, I hear sit down on your bed. Are you following me? Brother! Oh, did you find I'm jumping off the hill! That got loose. Jiggle bang bang, jiggle bang bang, boga 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 bang bang, bang bang, jiggle bang bang, boga 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 bang bang, jiggle 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 bang bang, boga 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 bang bang, jiggle bang bang, jiggle. Ha 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 ha. Everybody! Hey yo, coconut back to go. Money, 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 money. This video ended right now. So I see you in the day, guys. I might post a video tomorrow. So I hope you leave a like and I hope you comment because I really like people comment. And I hope I be respectful. So goodbye, guys. Peace out.